Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC meets the game's needs and updating drivers. This reduces common stutters and artifacts. Once done, run Steam or the game launcher to verify files so corrupted assets are fixed. Make sure DirectX and Vulkan runtimes are present because the renderer relies on them. If you have multiple GPUs, force the discrete card in OS settings. These first steps remove many variables, so later optimization is meaningful, and changes actually affect performance and visual quality. Next, you tune the in-game renderer and quality settings to match your hardware. Changing to Vulkan often helps modern GPUs, while DirectX can be steadier for older setups. Reduce shadow and traffic draw distance to lower CPU and GPU load, and tweak LOD so object detail drops farther away. Use render scaling between 0, 85 and 1, 0 to trade resolution for frame rate. Finally, set a sensible FPS cap and enable or disable VSync, depending on input lag versus tearing trade-offs. To finish, apply advanced GPU control panel tweaks. Set power mode to prefer maximum performance, force appropriate anti-aliasing, and use texture filtering to improve clarity. If you use mods, install one at a time and test because high-res packs can exceed VRAM. Consider community performance mods that optimize traffic and assets. If anything breaks, disable mods first and lower memory-heavy options like draw distance and queue size. A single troubleshooting tip. When crashes persist, revert to default config and reintroduce changes step by step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.